Hello, good morning, dear students. We have already discussed natural number, whole number, fraction, rational number, 4 points of rational number, positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers. And now we have to discuss rational numbers in standard form. Rational number in standard form. STANDARD standard form. Okay. How we find the standard form of any rational numbers? Suppose minus 15 by, for example, minus 15 by 45. This is your number. And it has to be written in a standard form. Okay. Firstly, we find the HCF of 15 and 45. And I think you know very well that means how to find HCF of 15 and 45. Then we get 15. That means HCF of 15 and 45 is 15. And this number now minus 15 by 45, and minus 15 by 45 is divided by 15. Then we get minus 1 by 3, and this is our standard form. Okay, minus 1 by 3 is your standard form of minus 15 by 45. That means the rule is that firstly you have to find the HCF of numerator and denominator, and then it is divided by its HCF, and then you get your number, then you get a standard form of any number. Okay, now discuss about number line. And you know very well about number line. That means suppose 2 by 7 is to be shown at number line. Then firstly you find that it is in positive form or in negative form. And you know very well that means this is in positive form. And in number line, 0 is at this place and positives are in the right side and negatives are in its left side. But our question is in the form of positive, then we go through right of the 0. 2 by 7 is less than 1, so this will be gone in between 1 and between 0 and 1, and this will be cut in the form of 7 equal areas. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. That means the area will be in the form of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And numerator, that means 1, 2. Here 2 by 7 is shown. Okay. One example of negative. Suppose this is your number, but it is in the form of negative, and it has to be shown in number line. This is in the form of negative, so we take minus 1, minus 2. That means in the place must be 0, minus 1, minus 2. That means divided equal area. This is also cut in 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The area will be in the form of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now we have count 2. Minus 1, minus 2. That means this is minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7. Okay. You may show any number at number lines, such like this. Okay. Now we are in our chapter practice exercise 3.1. That means we have to solve practice exercise 3.1. The first question is write the following as rational numbers in the form of P by Q. Okay. Then firstly wipe our boards and discuss our questions one by one, and you have to solve all these questions in your copy. So let's we discuss practice exercise 3.1. Okay, the first one question is write the following rational numbers in the form of P by Q. That means 15 is given and you have to write it in the form of rational number. That means in the form of P by Q. And you know very well that any whole number may be written in the form of rational number, such like this 15 by 1, and then this is in the form of P by Q. So this is a rational number. Okay, and this is your answer, 15 by 1. Question number 2, subsection 1. Identify the positive and negative rational numbers. Write them in the 2 separate columns. 7 by 8. 7 by 8. I have already discussed about positive rational number or negative rational numbers. If numerator and denominator are in the same sign, then it will be positive. And if numerator or denominator are in different sign, then it will be negative. And here we see that numerator is positive but denominator is negative. So this is negative rational number. Negative rational number. Okay. The third question is write the following rational numbers in the standard form. Minus 16 by 20. Minus 16 by minus 20. Okay. You have to find the HCF of 16 and 20. And then by this HCF you divide it in numerator or denominator both, and then you get your answer. Question number 4. Question number 4 is write 3 equivalent rational numbers for each of the following. 3 by 10. And you have to write 3 equivalent fractions. So first of all, it must be multiplied by 2 in numerator or denominator. Secondly, it must be multiplied by 3 in numerator or denominator. And 3 by 10 must be multiplied by 4 in numerator and denominator. And then you get your 3 numbers. Clear? Now question number 5. Draw a number line and mark the following rational numbers. That means you have to sign it, you have to mark it at rational number. Question number 6. Identify the greater number from each of the following. That means which is greater or which is lesser. So denominator must be equal and then you compare it easily. Okay. Question number 7. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. That means you have to arrange these 1, 2, 3 numbers in ascending numbers from 0 to next. Okay. So firstly you have to find the HCF of 18, 4 and 50. And then it will be right in the form of ascending order. Question number 8 is such like this, but this is in the form of descending order. So last number is, that means greatest number is written firstly, and after this lowest. This is in the form of descending order. Now find 4 rational numbers between the following numbers. You have to write 4 equal numbers between -2/3 and 0, and then you will get your answer. And the last question is question number 10. Find 10 rational numbers between the following numbers 0 and 5/10. That means firstly denominator must be equal, and if denominator may be equal, then you will get your answers. Okay, then try to practice all these questions one by one, and if you have any problem, then we will discuss in our next classes. Okay, practice exercise 3.1. that means it must be solved one by one very smoothly and write clearly all your answers. Okay, and if you have any problem, then you will ask it in our next classes. Okay.